YouTube, this is Elder Charles. Just to let you know that this is EWM Praise Dance 1 year anniversary. Yay! I want to thank all the viewers and subscribers for participating in this wonderful event. Those who've been looking at our dances and our worship and our praise unto the Lord. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. I want to give a shout out to Purposely Anointed Mind. Amber Goins, hey, how you doing? We got a lot of catching up to do. And also check her channel out, Purposely Anointed Mind. She's a really good praise dancer, and I really enjoy her work. Also check out Bishop J.W. Moore Ministries on YouTube. Every week we're going to have something, we're going to try to have something posted up for those who love to view good word. He is a good preacher, a very powerful preacher, and has a word from the Lord. And I truly believe that he's a man from God's own heart. So when you get a chance, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and also view it and enjoy the word. And Mother Lawson, hey, how you doing? Whenever you get a chance, come on back up here to Jackson. You know, we got a lot of things we can talk about, you know what I'm saying? I'm still waiting on you. And YouTube, y'all just be blessed. Your families and all, y'all take care in Jesus' name.